Good morning everybody. So in today's video I thought that you might want to get ready with me. So for those of you that don't know, I work for Easyjet as a cabin crew member based at London Gatwick. So today I'm travelling to Barcelona and back. It's not going to be too much of a long day. It's only about an hour 30 or an hour 40 each way. I thought you just might like to see how I do my hair and makeup ready for work. But first I need to go and get my caffeine fix. So I'm going to go downstairs and do that. I need to be at work at 10 o'clock, ready for an 11 o'clock takeoff. So I need coffee because I'm very tired this morning. So I'm just going to go and do that and I will be right back. Such a beautiful day today. It's just so typical that I have to go to work when the sun's out. I've got all my uniform hung up and ready to go. Needs a bit of an iron before though, so excuse the creasing. and now I'm ready to go. You probably wondered why I took my makeup with me. It's because in case we have an unscheduled night stop, if there's something wrong with the aircraft or there's severe delays, then we might have to stay overnight somewhere. So I always pack in my suitcase spare underwear, spare uniform, casual clothes if we're going out for dinner or something, and my makeup obviously for the next day. So you have to be prepared for anything in this job. So that's it really. I'm ready to leave for work now. I just need to put my watch on. So the hairstyle you saw me do, it's what I do every day. It's so easy and quick to do, and it stays in place all day with the curvy grips as well. So in total that probably took me about half an hour to get ready. If I'm on a super early shift, checking in at like 5 or 6 o'clock in the morning, then I won't do all of this fancy makeup. I'll just do the most basic makeup I can, just so it saves me some time in the morning. But that's it. I really hope you enjoyed this video. I'm thinking of doing a Q&A regarding training at Easyjet, the recruitment process and what life is like on a day-to-day basis. So if you're interested in any of that, then just comment your questions down below. Tell me what you would like to see. And for now, have a lovely week. Enjoy this gorgeous sunshine this weekend, and I will see you very soon. Don't forget to like and subscribe.